G.Skill adds more low-latency DDR5 memory kits to its lineup. New DDR5 6400 CL30 specs unveiled. G.Skill tunes DDR5 memory for low-latency users up to 6400 MT per second, and CL30 specs announced with available later this month. G.Skill already offers some high-end kits with its Trident Z5 range, such as the latest Royal series, which offers up to 8400 MT per second in high speed and 6000 MT in low latency Neo flavors. These kits are entering the market now, but the manufacturer has now rolled out its new latest low latency series covering the entire Trident Z5 DDR5 memory segment. And in the press release, G.Skill International Enterprise Corporation Limited, the world leading brand of the performance overclock memory and PC component, is releasing an overclock memory specification with ultra low latency at DDR5 6400 CL30, 39, 39 and 102 in 32 GB kit of 16x2. This high performance specification will be under the Trident Z5 RGB and Trident Z5 Royal series with Intel XMP 3.0 overclock profile support, as well as under the Trident Z5 Neo RGB and Trident Z5 Royal Neo series with AMD Expo overclock profile support. Pushing the CL limits of DDR5 to 6400, the G.Skill R&D team strives to push the limit of memory performance, and low latency is a key factor in memory overclocking for enthusiasts and overclockers compared to the standard DDR5 4800 CL40. This new DDR5 6400 CL30 specs make improvement to the memory, speed and latency, and since this is a high performance specification, it's important to check the compatibility of motherboard and CPU. The new specifications comes with Intel XMP 3.0 under the Trident Z5 RGB and Trident Z5 Royal series, and AMD Expo under the Trident Z5 Neo and Trident Z5 Royal Neo series for easy memory overclocking via the motherboard BIOS. These memory kits will be available through G.Skill worldwide distribution partner starting late August 2024.